Right, my name is Dev. What's your name? May I know?
Lovey.
Novi.
Just call me Lovey.
Okay.
Yes. So, how long have you been here in episode then?
Actually, it's for 12 to 13 days ago, more than 2 weeks. I'm using this website.
Mm,
And
okay, so
how? What about
nice.
you?
I've been here 7 months.
7 months. You are very consistent this website.
No, actually, I'm not using this application every day. Sometimes, if I
Like,
have
yeah, yeah,
free time, I using this to
yeah.
have a
So,
conversation with different people here.
so you use this application occasionally.
No.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
But
How about you?
I'm
Are
very
you
consistent.
joining here every day?
Sorry.
Are you joining here every day? Are you joining here every day?
No, I couldn't catch your point.
I mean, are you joining here every day?
Oh
Here
yeah, yeah.
in
Actually, I said before, I'm very consistent this application, and every single day I
no.
came here in 8 p.m. every single day. Because I'm new here this website, so just I just want to come every day. I just build my confidence and enhance my English, talking to out of countries people, and I just want to know them. I have not only enhance my English, and also I'm very curious to know people. They are coming different countries, no, this application, and I'm made seven more than seven countries people this website.
So nice. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice. That's
So,
good.
yeah,
So good luck.
you said you just using this website for 7 months. So how many countries people you made this website?
Mm, actually, I meet here 200. No, no. 100. 100 different people here in episode.
Means in
Different
100 countries people
country.
you meet.
Yes, because
Oh,
I've been here 7 months, so
okay, okay.
yeah. But sometimes,
So you
yeah.
just
So yeah,
you
and
communicate with people like seven, like sorry, 100 countries people.
yeah, I got 100
Oh, this
people
is
to
very, this
have
is huge.
conversation here. Yeah,
Yeah,
actually, it's good. It's good to have conversation in different people because we learn each other, we sharing each other when it comes to communication skills. They also want to learn and improve their communications skills also. So
yeah.
I am going to have conversation with them. And sometimes I meet people here not once, and sometimes twice, thrice, many times I meet them, and we have a lot topic. We have interesting topic to
Yeah,
converse
yeah,
to have.
yeah, very interesting topic.
Huh? Sorry?
Do you have any interesting topic?
Interesting topic. Like we're sharing like culture or the in their country. What is interesting?
Okay, I just
What
want to know.
tourist
What?
spot? Something like that.
Yeah, I just want to know, like, how is your in your country? How is culture in tradition?
Here in tradition in our country. Actually, there's a lot of tradition here in our country. What do you want to know?
Like, what is the biggest
Tradition,
festival? What is the biggest festival?
this festival. Uh, maybe every Christmas.
Oh, every
Christ,
Christmas is very
you,
biggest festival in your country.
yeah, but in our countries only. Wait. uh, in different, we have a different festival here, every places like fiesta, yeah,
And how much
something like that.
population in your country?
Sorry.
How much population in your country?
It's a million. I don't know
Okay,
exactly,
but I know
but it's a,
in our country 1.4 billion people.
oh, yeah.
And
I actually
how
don't
many
have time
languages available? How
to
many
study it.
languages available?
Uh, Actually, our native language here in Philippines is Tagalog.
Okay. Just Philippines and English, two language available.
Yeah,
Okay, but
actually, the English language here in Philippines is very popular
oh, so
because,
everyone speak English.
yeah, actually, everyone they love to learn when it comes uh, to English language because they want to also have conversation and different people they who they meet. Yeah,
Okay, I just want to say, like, if you get, just time is end, but I have a lots of questions,
yeah.
lots of, you
We will
know,
next time.
topics. Yeah, nice
Nice
to meet
talking
you.
with you.